Woohoo! This is my first ever unboxing video, and I know there are 1,000,001 Hobonichi Techo unboxing videos on YouTube, but I love watching them, so I'm going to do my own. Please excuse the loud music that you hear in the background. I have teenagers cleaning up, and they need to blast the music in order to clean, but whatever it takes, as long as they clean, blast that music. So, this is my 2021 planner. Yay! The quote that everyone reads: you write, you draw, as you move your hand, the lines start running. With the running lines, our minds sprint. Handwriting means letting your mind take off. And I have the perfect planner journal to let my mind take off all of 2021, because 2020 ain't been very good to pretty much nobody. And by the way, please excuse my desk. This is also my art desk, as you see by the red paint and the bottles of paint. So just disregard that stuff and keep your focus right here on the main prize. So what did I get for 2021? Woohoo! Got a new cover. It's a zip cover. I usually get leather covers, but this year I got a zip cover. And I'm glad I got this one, because not only is it a beautiful shade of red, it's got this huge pocket that I didn't realize that it had when I ordered it. You know how many stickers and washi cards that I can put down there? Nice mesh pocket, 2 bookmarks, all of these pockets, pocket here. Very nice, very nice. I'm in love. I am in love. And the other thing that I got directly from the Hobonichi store in Japan is under this brown paper box. Brown paper wrapping. All the other things that I got for 2021 came from Amazon. Woohoo! My Hobonichi Techo cousin. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. For anyone who may have never seen a Hobonichi or doesn't know what it is a beautiful book with this very thin Tomo River paper. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it takes fountain pens, it takes gel pens, no bleeding through, may have some ghosting but no bleeding through, and it's just beautiful thin paper. This is a whole year. You have a whole year of monthly spreads, a whole year of weekly spreads, and a whole year of daily pages, all in this one thin volume that won't stay thin for long once I get to writing and painting and stickering it. But this is a Hobonichi Techo cousin. Year at a glance, year ahead, monthly pages, weekly pages for every week of the year, and then finally daily pages, so you can journal here. Journal here, which is my plan. Plan here. Overview of the month here. And these I'll use for tracking. So, yahoo! Then of course I got the freebie, 20th anniversary pen with 3 colors and a foodie pen, so I can practice my brush script or brush writing, whatever it's called. That's what I got directly from Hobonichi in Japan. The other stuff I got came from Amazon, but it's still Hobonichi stuff. What do we have here? Woohoo! A Hobonichi Techo 5-year planner. This puppy has 5 years, and I'm going to use it as a gratitude journal. 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I will be using this as my daily gratitude journal, writing gratitude in each day. And then the other side I will use for some decoration, some art, some watercolor to make it pretty. And I have a cover for this coming from Amazon. It's not going to arrive until Wednesday. Today's Monday. I got a pencil board. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the Japanese word for it. This pencil board goes with my 5-year. I got another pencil board. And this one is for my cousin. Got some removable tape flags just to mark pages and things and whatever I need in my cousin. And I got this adorable pencil case. It expands. I didn't bring any pens up here, of course. Oops, just close it. Stands up by itself, so when you have your pens in there, ooh, look, it's a beautiful fountain pen. Have your pens in there, you can just sit it on the side and have your journal in front of you and your pens right here to reach in and grab. Of course, you can also make it short so it's easier to see the pens while it's standing up. So that is my Hobonichi haul for 2021 so far. I have a few other things that are coming from Amazon and other places, and I will be sure to share those things with you as soon as they arrive. Thanks for watching.